we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? Now let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello? Hello. There you go. Very nice and sweet hello. Now can you tell everyone here your name? Amigo. Amigo is his name. Okay, now amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? Very polite bird indeed. Now not only that, amigo is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A perfect 10! Good job, amigo. Alright, this time is going to count for us in Chinese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hear the children counting along myself. Very good. Okay, now not only that, amigo can sing as well, and he can sing great. The second song originates from amigo. Can you sing Rasa Sayang?